Hey everybody, it's Aaron here at DirtCat Auto Crafting Garage, coming to you with an update about the 73 Plymouth Roadrunner. Now, good thing is, that side's actually not bent at all. I thought it was, but I was actually getting some proper measurements, and it's just, there's nothing wrong with that side. It's pretty much on this side where it got smashed down, and of course with the rear window, like I said in a previous video, I think I did. If I didn't, I apologize. But the back window and that side there is perfect. It's all proper dimensions and everything, so it's just on this side. So I'm pretty much probably going to start working on this. I'm not worried about it being out in the elements because it's been like this for quite some time. I actually remember seeing this down in my friend's yard down in Gaudreau's auto salvage yard about 5 years ago. So I'm really not too worried about rolling up the, leaving the windows down and not rolling them up. But here's the thing. I was thinking about turning this, and just leaving it as a 318. And then he said, well, why stop there? Just put a 440 back into it. Well, I think I'm going to take this one step further. And this will be a project for, I don't know how long. I know they're expensive. They're very expensive, and I'm a very small channel, 15 subscribers, which, by the way, thank you very much. I've been gaining and losing some recently because people just aren't liking my content, which is perfectly fine. I mean, it's like television. If you don't like something, just click the channel. I don't care. It's your viewing pleasure. I mean, I ain't gonna stop you. But anyways, once I get established, hopefully next year or two, or sometime down the road, I think, you may call me crazy, but I'm probably not going to keep this original in any way, shape, or form. I've heard of someone else doing this, but I haven't heard anything else. Now, this is a 1973 Plymouth Roadrunner. It's originally the 318, and it gets the very base model. This is like a base to medium, something like that. It's the poor man's Roadrunner, which I don't care. However, this had some very rare options on it. It did have some stuff in the back, those spoiler things that's in the back window. It actually had a spoiler for the trunk lid, hence why that's gone. And it didn't have AC, but it had something else. I can't remember exactly what. Found a list about it, and well, I think I might turn this into a Roadrunner Hellcat. It's going to cost quite a bit of money. It's something I don't really have. I mean, it's going to cost a lot of money to store a lot of these in the back because, believe it or not, we got like 3 or 4 more cars to get. Yeah. I still want to try to find a 68 Dodge Charger. Yeah, good luck. I don't care if it's an automatic, 4-speed, 3-speed on the tree. I don't care. I just want a 68 Charger. But everybody and their grandmother wants an arm and a leg for one. And when you do find one, it's really cancered out, and it's pretty much a parts car. But anyways, I truly am thinking about turning this into a Plymouth Roadrunner Hellcat. Now, I'll call it like a Hellrunner or a Roadcat. I don't know. I'm trying to think of some decent names. But I don't care if someone else takes this idea from me. I just don't care. I love sharing ideas in the car world, with this kind of thing. But yeah, since this is going to need a lot of work, the unibody's perfect, but when I put the Hellcat engine into this eventually, yeah, I'll have to reinforce the frame and a few other odds and ends. But since this old girl's going to need a lot of work, and yeah, she's still angry. She's still very angry. I got a scooter in over there right by the old farm truck. Which, that was actually getting ready for its 318 to be a donor engine for this in the future, but I'm just going to fix it up as is. But yeah, I think I'm going to turn this into a 1973 Plymouth Roadrunner Hellcat, or Plymouth Hellrunner, or Roadcat. I don't know how to, or just Plymouth Roadrunner Hellcat. Get a hood and put emblems on the engine compartment, Hellcat, on the hood and everything, and just see about that. I want to keep it blue. I love this kind of style blue. I can't remember what it's called now. I looked it up 3 weeks ago and then forgot it. I forgot to write it down. I got it bookmarked, but yeah, let me know what you think in the comments of this little tiny, you know, fun update video about the Roadrunner. I am seriously going to turn this into a Roadrunner Hellcat. Again, I've had this idea for quite some time, but wasn't quite sure. And when I talked to my mentor about things, and I was like, yeah, just go ahead and turn this into a Hellcat. And someone else, like I said, had this idea online as well, because I was looking around for parts and everything and see how much a Hellcat engine would cost. So that's going to be pricey down the road. Unless if I can somehow get a sponsor and have this channel boost up to who knows how long, and I can get a brand new camera, get rid of this potato technology, because this is an Nordro. It's one of those cheapo ones, and it's not actual through 4K. I just got it because I'm like, yeah, sure, why not? But anyways, let me know what you think down in the comments, and I shall talk to y'all later. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you hate this video, give it a thumbs down. I don't care, you're my viewer, you're my critic. Rate me and my brother here at DirtCat on however you think we are. And if you like this idea of turning this Plymouth into a Hellcat, give a thumbs up. But if you hate the idea, give a thumbs down. I still don't care, you're the viewer, you're the critic. I'm going to turn this into a Hellcat no matter what. And please subscribe, it does help out the channel. Click that bell notification button if you want to see more stuff. Bug in my ear, understand that. We have a Facebook, go check that out. Give it a like, follow, or don't really care. We also have an Instagram. If you want to follow us on there, go ahead and do so. If not, then yeah, I post pictures up on there of the older projects and everything that we're going to be working on. So I shall let you all go, and I better get back to working on the Galaxy. So y'all have a good one now. Take care.